If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So you probably noticed my eyebrows is missing a little bit of a makeup and a little bit of a color and all. So today we're gonna be reviewing another item. It's a Makeup Revolution brow tint tattoo thing. If you follow my channel, you probably seen a video where I was trying a Maybelline eyebrow tattoo tint thing. And if you've seen the video, you know it didn't go well. It didn't go as good as I was expecting it to go because I have bushy eyebrows. I mean, my eyebrow hair is long. So when I was peeling it off, it caught my brow hair and ripped some of my hair out. It pulled some of my hair out. So hopefully this time it will go better and my eyebrows will be in place the way it is supposed to be. So this Makeup Revolution brow tattoo thing is 7 permanent brows at home for up to 3 days. So it says, start with a clear brown, apply to brow to create desired shape, leave to develop for up to 2 hours, and then peel off for gorgeous brows for up to 3 days. I think this time I'm not gonna keep for 2 hours. I'll keep for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes just in case the color is not matching. I took it a dark brown, but there's no like a color example or anything, so I have no idea what dark brown will look like. It might be too dark, it might be too light, it might be too orangey or anything, so fingers crossed it won't go bad because I'm a bit scared. So I think without any further ado, I will try, but I really hope it's not gonna go as bad as the previous, the Maybelline, the makeup tattoo brow thing, the eyebrow tattoo thing, because that wasn't good for me. Although I had so many nasty comments on that video saying that I didn't read an instruction and I did everything wrong. I mean, have you even seen a video? I read instruction in front of a camera and I followed it. So anyways, haters gonna hate, right? So I think without any further ado, we should just jump in and actually start this. Packaging is simple. Let's open up and see the color. This is what I'm scared of. Okay, the brush is super chunky and big. Color so far looks black. I just hope my brows will stay in place. If not, well, I'll wash this off this time. I'm starting from the middle because I feel like I can go more precise if I do this. So far, it's quite easy to apply with this brush. Fingers crossed, it's not gonna be bad. So far it looks pretty dark. Yeah, I'll definitely keep only for like 20 minutes, half an hour max, rather than suggested 2 hours, just in case it's far too dark. Basically, I'm just gonna wait for the gel to dry off and I'm gonna peel it. Oh, I just made a mess on this brow. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, need to clean up. Huh, this is leaking. I am so stressed doing this, guys. You don't even know. Especially after last time trying that Maybelline brow tattoo thing. So I am proper stressing, but I'm doing this for you guys. Ooh, I feel a little bit of a stinging on. Is that normal? I don't know. Okay, I'm taking the brow brush, well, the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques, Define Brush, sorry, we call it Define Brush. And I'll take a little bit of the brush. As the instruction says, you can use a brow brush to apply this on for more precise definition. So that's what I'm doing, following instructions. For any of you who will later say that I haven't followed any instructions, because I actually do. It has a smell, but it doesn't have a strong smell as a Maybelline brow tattoo thing. So this is a plus because the Maybelline brow tattoo thing had very strong smell of a glue. And this one, not really. It has a bit of a smell, but doesn't smell like a glue at all. This is actually a great idea that we are recommending to take a brow brush to apply it rather than using the provided brush. So fingers crossed this actually gonna be good and actually gonna work and not gonna peel my brow hair off. That's what I'm scared of, but if what, I'm gonna just wash it off, so all good, nothing to panic about. So I'll see you in 20-ish minutes. Wish me luck. Alright, so I kept this brow tint tattoo, we call it tint, brow tint thing for a bit longer than 20 minutes, less than half an hour. So I think it's dry already. Yeah, it's dry. It's not sticking anymore. So I think let's just remove it. I don't want to keep it for 2 hours as it says on the packaging. Plus, I don't want it to be too dark because so far I see it's very dark. This one doesn't state whatsoever from which corner I should peel off. Maybelline brow tattoo thing, I peel off the way my hair grows because I thought if I would peel off that way, it would peel my hair even more, like pull off my hair even more. Lots of you commented that I peel it off wrong way. I'm gonna peel off this way again. It doesn't state on the packaging whatsoever which way I should peel it off. Okay. It actually peeled off very nicely. It doesn't have any of my hair, so hey, this is better than Maybelline then. I'm not too keen on the color though. I mean, this part is dark as you see because I started applying from a middle, thankfully, because otherwise I would have a block eyebrows from here. But I'm not sure about color. Color looks a bit too purplish kinda. So I don't know if I like the color or no. What do you guys think? Because I like the product. It didn't pull any of my hair out, so that's a good part. But I think if I would add a little bit of a brow product, it probably would blend in and would be fine, isn't it? So things what I like, it didn't stink. It didn't smell like a glue like a Maybelline one did. It was easy to apply. Plus, I like that it didn't pull my brow hair out like a last one. What I don't like that there's no picture sample on a package of the color, so you kind of going blind and testing out the color. If I would recommend, I would recommend definitely if you have a spare brows or almost no brows, because this will actually tint your skin. As you see, like my skin under the brows is tinted, so it actually will tint the skin and make that optical illusion that you have brows. Color wise, I don't know how to recommend how to choose a color, because I don't know if you can see this for a camera though, but what I see in the mirror, it looks a bit of a purplish brown. So for that, I a bit dislike that. Anyway, that it's absolutely amazing and I don't have any bad things to say about it. So thumbs up from me. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial demo thing and you find it helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this already and what you think of it, and if you would like to see more review videos and what I should review next. So I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Ciao.